Okay, the HTMR blast guns, wet and dry blast guns, are back in stock. So I'll leave a link in the video description and in the iCards where I'll take you to my web store and you can purchase the 5 horse, the 7.5 horse, or the 10 horse version. I also have separate air jets that you can purchase, and you can play around with different CFMs and also the nozzles. So I want to say like about 75% of this batch is already gone. So if you're looking to get one of these, I would suggest buying one now because the next batch is already on order and it's coming in 4 to 6 weeks. So I do have a few of them left, so go ahead and grab them. And if your country is not listed for shipping, just email me and I'll arrange that for you.